Okay, Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to the new video of the logarithm series. That this is our first video in that topic. First thing I would like to ask you, what do you mean by logarithm? Why you are studying that? So first, suppose the equation is m power x is equal to b. Now let me note it down. M power x is equal to b. Now I wanted to find out only x. Then how you can calculate? Means I want only x in left hand side. Now is it possible without your normal method till now? Tell me, anyone can guess? Mx is equal to b. I want only in x in only one side. Then how you can make it normally? What you will think? If you don't know, then you will try like that. Power x is there, I will transfer right hand side, then it will become 1 by x. Correct here? More than that, again you can't transfer. It is not possible. Correct? This form is known as exponential form. Exponential form. That we are dealing till our class 9 level. Correct? Now, same equation we need to solve. M power x is equal to b. Now I need to solve this equation. It is not possible. Correct? That means I want the equation left side it will be x, m and b should be right side. Mathematically it is not possible by the help of exponential. Now how we can prove that? It is possible by using the logarithm. Now see that how I will prove. Mx is equal to b. I will apply log in both this side. Mx is equal to log b. Now it will come here x. Log m is equal to log b. X is equal to log b by log m. X is equal to log m b. Done. X is equal to log m b. Now I think that you are getting confused, sir, how you have done that. What are the properties? What is this log and everything? Correct? So today in this video we are going to learn each and everything in the detail. So stay tuned with the video. Are you able to understand? X I kept in left side, remaining term I shifted in right side. What it is written? So let us explain. Now, for that explanation, I require, see here, first logarithm, the shortcut will be written as log. Clear? After that, what is the notation? Every time it will be given as a base. For example, let the base be a and here it will be given as b. Understanding? Log base a, it is known as b. Now, what is this name called? Now, this name is known as base. Don't think that it is written in small letter, that's why it is base. Whatever it will be written, let me note it down. Suppose it is written like that log. If it is written small letter below that log, then it is known as base. And if it is written in the same line, then it is known as your argument. Here, what we call this one as base. And this one, it is written in same line, we call as a argument. Clear here? How to note it down? Up to log a b. Are you able to understand? Log is a shortcut of logarithm. Next, short form b. This whatever value that is written below, that is known as base, and whatever is written b, that is known as argument. Okay, as we know that mathematics basically it work on addition, subtraction, and we can say multiplication and division. Let us solve that. What are the algebra on that logarithm? We will try to understand. So first we will learn that addition, log a plus log b. Now you can tell me, sir, here base is not given over there, correct? Here you are writing log b, means on the same line, but base is not given over there. So as per your standard here, if the base is not given, suppose you are writing log a, then you can think log a base will be 10. Later on I will explain you why it is 10. Log base is not given, then what you will think? It is a base will be every time 10. Here base is not given, then base will be 10. Here also base will be 10. Log a plus log b. What will be the property? So here it will be log a plus log b will be considered log a into b. Next, log a plus I have taken log, now I will take log a minus log b. Then what will be the value? Value will be log a by b. Understanding? Log a minus b will be log a by b. Next property, log a power b. Log a power b. Then what will be my answer? B log a. Log a power it is b, means I am writing above that alphabet. Are you able to see this line? In normal, in handwriting classes also there are 3 lines, correct? So here also we can consider 3. Here I will write log. If I am writing let AB, here down I will write B, let the power be C. This one is known as your base, and this one is known as argument, and this one is known as your power. I think hope you understand how it is written. So if it is power I need to write, I should write above that number, above that alphabet B. So B log A power B will be your B log A. After that, next log A power A. What will be the answer, sir? Same logic. Log A power B only I will apply. A log A. This number will come front. Whatever is in the power that will come front. A log A. Clear? Now let me select. Now same thing. I will apply A and B. Now I am considering base and this is B. Now what will be your answer? In that condition, log B by log A you can consider. Definitely base is not given over there. Base in the higher standard classes you will learn the same thing in detail, that MB by log MA. But as per your level you can understand